Hi, welcome to part 4 of this build. I did film this intro already before, and some reason it didn't save it. I have no clue why. So this is the first time I'll turn it on. Second time actually, and I'll talk about that after in a minute. Right, so it's all plugged in, power on, and we have a fully lit, fully working PC. Not bad for the first time, to be honest. And even better than that, surprisingly, to you and me, and everyone else, probably, we have it posted. Well, I say posted, but see, we've got everything on the screen. It shows the motherboard, the Wi-Fi, MSI I've got the mouse. I've connected up a crappy mouse to it. 10850K. The memory size 16 gig, just over 16 gig, which is nice. Build date, no idea what that is about. DDR voltage. We've got CPU speed, DDR speed, frequency. I have no idea what any of this means, to be honest. Is any of that good? Not a clue. Memory, run at 33 hertz. Corsair 16 gig. Exactly what it should be. Fan info. Cores temperatures, not too bad. So I'm going to have to mess about that after. Help. I don't know what that is, but this is all like complete. No clue what any of this means, to be honest. But it's working. So that's a good thing, I guess. Right, so now what I'm going to have to do now is now put a USB into the boot USB into it, and then hopefully it will start up in theory. So I'm going to do that, and I'll hopefully be back with you with Windows, completely Windows done. So see you in a minute. Fingers crossed. Houston, we have a problem. Yeah, I'll show you the problem is. I can turn it on. Then on as always. Starts up, no problem. Right. Fans are spinning, pump is running, perfectly fine, yes. Now keep an eye on the CPU temperature. Steadily going up and up and up and up. And I have no idea why. It is, the fans are running. The fans are right way round. Even the pump, the CPU fan is running. Look. Pump fan speed, pump temperature. So that should be running. So I don't know why. 74, 75. Motherboard's temperature's going up as well. I think that's just normal thing going up, but yeah. It's 100 degrees Celsius in what's it now? In about a minute. I have no clue why. Anyone have any clue why it's doing that? It would be helpful. As I said, you can see. We can't see really too well there. The fans are running. both big fans, and they are pointing in the right way because the MSI logo is at the top here, as you can see, or just about see the MSI logo on both of them. So that's right around. I'll check that on another video. So I don't know what's going on. Why this isn't going 100 Celsius really quickly. The only thing maybe I can think of is the thermal paste. I put the thermal paste on, but I've had to take the CPU cooler off a couple of times to put it on. So the only thing I can think of is maybe that. If anyone else has got any more suggestions other than just the CPU cooler, CPU thermal paste, let me know in the comments, and hopefully I can try and get some more CPU paste just in case. And if anyone has got any more suggestions, let me know, and I'll see you maybe in the next video, hopefully soon, with a working Windows updated computer. See you soon, bye. Please remember to hit the like button and the subscribe. See you soon in the next video. See you soon, bye.